I believe the future of productivity isn't about working harder, it's about making AI work smarter for you. Here's something that will change how you think about daily communication forever. Most people spend hours crafting emails, newsletters, and updates manually. Complete waste of time. What if I told you there's a system that writes personalized content and delivers it to your inbox every single day? Zero manual work required. I'm Ibrahim, and I've spent 3 decades helping professionals automate their workflows. This AI powered email generator represents everything I love about smart automation: maximum impact with minimal effort. Here's what makes this different: we're using Zapier's built in AI capabilities, which means no complex API setups or separate OpenAI accounts. Simple prompts stored in Google Sheets transform into fully developed, thoughtful content automatically. The applications blow my mind. I've seen businesses use similar workflows for daily customer communications that increased engagement by 40%. Educators deliver personalized learning materials while they sleep. Coaches provide tailored guidance to hundreds of clients simultaneously. This isn't just another automation trick, it's a productivity revolution that gives you back hours every week while improving the quality of your communication. Want to see exactly how to build this system? The complete step by step process is waiting in my full automation course. But first, subscribe to this channel if you're serious about using AI to transform how you work. I share practical automation strategies like this every week that you won't find anywhere else. Hit that subscribe button right now and let's automate your success together.